If your paycheck disappears in days and you feel stuck, this video is your step-by-step money reset. Step 1, map your money. Write down what comes in, what goes out, and what matters. Step 2, create simple rules so your...
If your paycheck disappears in days and you feel stuck, this video is your step-by-step money reset. Tiny moves, one at a time, that stop the bleed, cover the must, pays, and build a buffer, so your money finally breathes.
Most people aren't bad with money. They're just playing a game they were never taught the rules for.
The difference between always broke and building wealth is not income. It's what you do with the income. Your money.
Today I'll show you the simple playbook to go from broke and stressed to calm and financially confident. Step 1, track your money. Step 2, kill high interest debt. Step 3, build a safety net. Step 4, grow your money. Do these in order.
You don't need to be rich or lucky or a genius. You just need the next 12 months and a clear plan. This year is waiting. What will you build?
Even if it's just 5 or 10%, this habit alone can completely change your financial future.
Let's start with the most important rule of money that schools never taught you. Pay yourself first. Before bills, before splurges, set something aside for you, your future. Because when you make...
Paying yourself first means saving and investing before you pay bills, buy food, or touch entertainment. Before anything else, you get paid, you save, you invest. Pay yourself first.
The banking of savings is where we pop up from saving. Step 1, know exactly where your money goes. You can't fix what you never measure or track.
You'll quickly see the tiny leaks. Daily lattes, on-demand lunches, subscriptions you forgot existed, and those random impulse buys that sneak into the cart. Add them up and they quietly drain hundreds every month. Spot the
For the next 30 days, track every dollar. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or even a simple notebook. That's the premise. Aim to make it highly visual, engaging, wonderfully interesting. Maybe even
try to group everything into 4 buckets: essentials, wants, savings and investing, and debt payments. Essentials cover the must-haves like rent, groceries, and utilities. Wants are the nice-to-haves, fun stuff.
Your goal is to slowly shrink the want slice and grow the savings and investing slice over time. Little by little, the pie changes until what you want most is a future that's fun.
This alone will make you feel more in control. Money anxiety often comes from simply not looking.
Commit to 1 full month of tracking. You'll get data that feels like turning on the lights in a dark room.
Dress card with Inter. Next, you have to deal with the biggest wealth killer in most people's lives. High interest debt. Search first day.
If interest grows faster than your payments, you're running on a treadmill that never stops. The balance keeps climbing no matter how hard you work. That's when it makes sense to pay more or slow the...
There are 2 popular methods, the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. Both work if you stay consistent. One starts with your smallest balance, the other with your highest interest. The key, keep going.
Avalanche focuses on the highest interest rate first to save the most money over time. Knock out that costliest debt. Then roll your payment down the list. Each payoff grows the snowball of...
Choose one. Snowball for motivation, avalanche for efficiency. The right method is the one you'll actually follow.
Hey, I'm Ryan Carter Spencer, the guy behind Shop Revy. We make things that make your car and your morning smell and feel amazing. From car air fresheners with a little personality to mugs built for big pours of coffee, we keep it fun and fresh.
Hey, I'm Ryan Carter Spencer. I own a little brand called Shop Revy. We make car air fresheners that look like the places you actually want to drive to, and mugs that feel like your favorite morning playlist. It's just me, a small team, and a lot of coffee.
Every dollar you free from debt is a soldier you can send to build your wealth instead of feeding interest. Let them march toward your future. Freedom starts here.
Second, while paying debt, do everything you can to stop creating new debt. Pause cards, lower limits, or freeze them. You're taking control.
Place. Payday for the deep paid autosave with Grow Automate a small transfer every time you get paid. Automation beats willpower every single month. Set it.
Now you need protection. An emergency fund is your financial umbrella when life decides to rain. Start building yours today.
Your first target, 1 month of basic expenses. Then aim for 3 to 6 months over time. Every dollar adds protection. Start building your safety net today.
This is not travel money, not shopping money. It's the break glass kind of money. For real emergencies, not boredom.
With an emergency fund, a job loss or surprise bill becomes a problem, not a full blown disaster.
Think of this fund as your shield. Before you try to get rich, first make sure you're hard to knock down.
You'll sleep better, make smarter decisions, and stop feeling like you're always one step from disaster.
Start by listing skills you already have or could learn in 3 to 6 months that people pay for. What else could you add?
Cutting expenses helps, but you can only cut so far. To grow fast, you also have to grow your income. Your next side hustle could be the spark that melts the freeze.
You can freelance, consult, tutor, deliver, create content, or sell products online. Options are everywhere.
The key is this: don't upgrade your lifestyle with extra money. Send it straight to savings and investing.
Higher income plus discipline is where things get exciting. That's when your progress becomes clearly visible.
Imagine every extra dollar from overtime or side work going to your future, not just to more random stuff.
Invest in skills that increase your earning power. High income skills can accelerate every other money step.
Give yourself 1 year of focused learning on a valuable skill. Your future self will thank you for it.
Now let's talk about investing. This is how you stop trading only time for money and let money work for you.
The secret is compound interest. Think of it like a snowball that gets bigger as it rolls down a long hill.
Now let's talk about investing. This is how you stop trading only time for money and let money work for you.